Hey guys, welcome to the video. So for this one, I'm going to be doing my makeup routine in reverse. So basically I saw Nikki Tutorials do it on her channel and I thought it was really funny because you don't really think about like, oh shit, like what do I do first? What do I do last? How do I? So I think like the point of the whole challenge is to just try to do it like fast without really thinking about it. So we'll see how this turns out. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I think that's the whole like purpose of it. I really want to start doing some more challenge videos. That way it's not just like me doing tutorial after tutorial, and I know a lot of people love those and I love them as well. Like I love teaching, but it's also really fun to like, I don't know, do something a little bit different. I'm really excited to see how this look is going to turn out. So if you want to see me do my makeup in reverse, then just keep on watching. Okay, so reverse. I guess the last thing I do is setting spray. So I'm gonna go in with my Skindinavia makeup setting spray for the oil control. So setting spray. Then I do lips. So I usually do gloss. No, I usually do lip liner, lipstick, then gloss. So now I gotta do gloss, lipstick, then lip liner. So my favorite gloss at the moment is the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. So okay, for lipstick we're doing this Urban Decay Back Talk. Alright, so now that I did this, I'm going to go in with the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Sandstorm to, I guess, line. Alright, sure, this is fine. Okay, so then the next thing I do is I do my bottom eyeshadow and bottom mascara. So here we go. So bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go in with the Maneater palette, and I'm gonna go in with Purr and Saucy, which is those two. I'm gonna just go for it. I'm gonna take a slightly smaller pencil brush and I'm gonna go in with the color Midnight, which is just a deep chocolate brown. I'm gonna focus that out in the corner. Then I usually line, right? Yeah. Typically going with the nude liner, so I'm gonna go in with this Lorac Nude pencil. Okay, then I do mascara. So an oldie but a goodie, don't know why I stopped using this. I actually used this yesterday, like aside from filming, and I was like, so this is the Lancome de Finisils. So I just coat my bottom lashes. This feels so weird. Okay, then I usually, my actual routine is doing my whole face and then my eyes. So then next I do lashes, because I would prime my eye. I would prime my eye, then I would do my eyeshadow. And like day to day I don't cut the crease, so I'm not cutting the crease. So just for the purpose of me trying to make this look still be kind of good, I'm not cutting the crease. So I'm going to do lashes, then liner, then eyeshadow, then primer on top. So alright, so lashes, I'm gonna go in with these Eylure number 126. These actually used to be my favorite lashes before I discovered like Cocoa lashes and velour lashes and like all those other lashes. So I'm going to pop these on real quick and then I will be right back. I'm having a little trouble because these lashes don't want to stick onto my oily ass eyelids. This is like really hard. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. Let me pop this one on here. Okay, that was really, really hard because there's like a huge gap. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to like tight line and do eyeliner. So, okay. I'm taking my Tarte Maneater eyeliner. I'm basically just gonna go over the lash band. That's as good as that's gonna get. Lashes and tight line on. This was actually really hard because when you have really oily eyelids, it just won't stick. So, all right, next step we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my inner corner. That's what I would typically, the inner corner is typically what I would do next. So we're gonna go in, hit that inner corner. Any light shimmer shade will do. Okay, inner corner on. Now an eye look. Like, what the fuck is all good? Okay, so, oh, I just dug my nail into that. First color I'm gonna go in with is this color Love. It's just a really pretty, like, transition shade. Stuck on light brown. I'm just gonna go in my crease. Or actually, I would do my crease before my shimmer. So I actually should do my shimmer. So scratch that. I didn't fully do my transition. I'm gonna lay down my lid color. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Boss Lady. It's just a really pretty shimmer gold. We're going to just lay that on my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with that Love color. Start building up my crease. So we're doing my eyeshadow without brows on because I feel really weird. Next I'm gonna go in with the Maneater palette and I'm gonna go into this color Saucy. It's a little bit darker than that Love color. It's just a tiny bit darker. So now I'm gonna start building that crease up a bit more. Okay. Now with the slightly more small brush, I'm gonna go in with the color Midnight and just really focus that on the outer corner and connect my lower lash line to that. You know, this is not that. Okay. Then I do primer. So I'm gonna take some of my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And girl, I'm gonna just do this. Look, I really did rub some on the back of my hand. And I'm just patting over my eye. Okay. Ugh. Now I conceal under my brows because then I would go from brows to this. So we're just gonna do a little bit under the brow. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just blend up. Yeah, I just had to kind of blend it into the shadow. Okay, that'll do. What's next? Brows. Brows. Okay. Usually don't do my brows on camera, but just for the purpose of this, I will. So, my routine, I'm not going to do my full ass routine because that one's just nuts, but I usually do, like on a fast day, I do my pencil, I pencil it in, and then I do my gel. So, I'm assuming for this one, I'm just going to do gel and then pencil it in. So here we go. And I'm just going to brush this through my brows. Get them nice and groomed. Then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Brownie pencil. This one's in the shade Deep Brown. I'm gonna just pencil in my brows, and I'm gonna try to do it kind of fast. Bitch, brows are on. Now what's next? Okay, so when it comes to the face, let's see. Okay, I usually do primer, foundation, concealer, then I powder everything down. Then I do contour, blush, then highlight. Yes, so we're gonna be doing highlight, contour, powder, then concealer, foundation, and then primer. So, all right, so let's do this. All right, so we're gonna start with some highlighter. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Mally Stardust. Yeah, let's do this. And then I do, whoa, I got highlighter everywhere. Then I do bronzer. So I'm gonna go with my Hoola. I need a new one. And we're just gonna go in and, you know, contour the face. Okay, bronze. Then I do powder, so I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX setting powder, and I'm just gonna go in with this big fluffy brush and just powder my whole face. Okay. Okay. Now, if there was a way for me to cheat, bitch, you knew I was gonna do it. So instead of using liquid foundation, I'm gonna go in with powder foundation. So this is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup. It has SPF 15. My shade is the shade Light Tan, but it's a powder foundation, so I'm just gonna go over everywhere I didn't like contour. So like down here, oh fuck, guys, I forgot blush, so I usually would do blush. Does that mean I don't do blush? Do I still do blush? I mean, technically, yeah, I usually do blush right after contour, so yes, no blush. Okay, no blush. So now I would do concealer. Do I have any powder concealer? I think I do. I knew there was a way to trick the system, so bitch, I'm gonna go in with this powder concealer by Bare Minerals. It's really old, and this one is Well Rested. It's the really like yellow one. I know it's more of a brightener, but it's a powder concealer, therefore it still counts. So I'm gonna go in with this blurring concealer brush by IT Cosmetics. Take a little bit of this yellow. Okay, now I think primer is my last step. I think so. So I'm priming with my Mario Badescu spray, because I mean you could. I don't usually, but I am today. So just like that. And that's the final look. Let me just make sure I wrote them down on my notes. So I usually do primer, foundation, powder, primer, foundation, powder. Oh, I fucked up because I was supposed to do primer, so the spray, and then I was supposed to do concealer before. Wait, did I fucked it up. That's the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this challenge. It was really fun to do because your brain kind of has to think like, wait, what's next? Wait, what? I've been in a little bit of one of those creators like ruts that you're just like, what the fuck do I film? And you don't want to be too the same as everyone else, but you know, this was a really fun video I watched NikkieTutorials do, and I thought it was really funny because you don't really think about doing your makeup in reverse. Because you're so used to doing regularly, you don't really think about doing it in reverse. That's it for this one, you guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. That way I know if you liked it or not. Subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video, which I might be dropping surprise videos coming up soon. You never know, never know. Really hope you enjoyed this one. This was the final look of me doing my makeup in reversa. Also, I'm thinking of doing my first Spanish video really soon, and I'm really excited because I've never done that. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next one. It gets hot as a motherfucker in here. Whoa. Almost pushed in my ears. Okay. 5 makeup. First things first, always. Oh, my eyelash. En reversa, mami. En reversa. It's a Spanish song, in case you didn't know. Also, I matched my nails to my shirt. I didn't even mean to do that. Go me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Spirit fingers. Because I watch Bring It On a lot. Wow. There's actually so much. Yeah.